Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing something real simple. We're gonna do something, a little side dish, baby glazed carrots. Very simple and easy. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. So if you're looking for something different, you know, what I'm saying these baby glazed carrots would be a perfect addition to your dinner. So we're gonna get in here. What I did was already blanched the baby carrots, so they're already a little al dente, right before it's really soft. Now I'm gonna add in some butter. You know, it's gonna be 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let them melt down. Your butter. And then you're gonna add in your half a cup of brown sugar. Put your temperature on medium low right now. Mix everything in. And then you add about 1 pound of your, you can have frozen, you know what I'm saying? Either one. Just put it all in. Your baby carrots. You just toss them in. And you gotta definitely toss them in so the glaze can be on all of them. Now you can get the fresh kind. These are, the ones in the bag. Carrots that do the same method. You know what I'm saying? This is, about 1 pound of carrots. So it's always good. But this is quick to get to, but if you're not, you can actually buy the other ones and do the same method. So I'm gonna let it, cook and, get a little glaze, and then we're gonna keep tossing them in the brown sugar. And I'll show you what it looks like towards the end. For the next thing I'm gonna actually add to it. All right, you guys, so what you do is to elevate the glaze, add about half of a teaspoon of salt. This is sea salt into your dish, and half of a teaspoon of black pepper. That's as much as you need. Not too much to see or taste, but a little bit. So fold it in, because it's almost coming to its end, you guys. So everything is incorporated in the dish. And in order to, you can elevate your dish, add a little spice rum, you guys. Just a little capful. Elevates it, give it a nice smell, and there you go, guys. Little crowd show, just to burn off the alcohol, and that's it. Stir it in, make sure everything in there smells good, guys. Really, really good. All right, and all we gotta do is just plate it up, glaze and all. All right, so add a little parsley on top for a little garnish. All right, you guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful recipe on how to make baby glazed carrots. Really good, simple addition to whatever, dinner that you would like to have. This really simple, easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. It really support. Love all the much love that you guys been giving me. I appreciate it. And this is something that I think all households should be able to do. It's really simple and easy, really nice and sweet. It's something a little bit different that you may not have thought about trying out. I'm your chef, KC. You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing ease to the kitchen. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one.